So today we got a little quick project. Just got to take your tank bolts out on the straps. We're just dropping the tank down a little bit so we can work at it. We got a little bit of a problem on the tank right in here. We got some scaly rust. It's seeping through. It's not leaving any marks on the ground, but it's just starting to get bad. It's not really an easy spot to film and get into, but it's just up in there. So right there where I got it down the bare metal, that's the spot I'm going to put that stuff on. Just got to clean up more of that rust there. That's basically the spot that I believe it's starting to seep from. But anyways, if you keep it down to 3/4 of a tank, it's okay. You don't smell it, but when it's full, you smell it, but it just seeps a bit. Like I say, no marks being left on the ground, but anyways, you don't want that to become a big problem. The joys of a Canadian vehicle. But up here, you get a little bit of dirt. Even if you power wash it, it's just hard to get everything. I'm just using this opportunity to get all that dirt off that ledge. So that's what I've been up to. So we'll give this a whirl. Seal all. Gas and oil resistance. So let's try it. So the spot, I believe it's seeping, is just beside the filler neck there. It's been getting a little wet, so we're just taking a wire brush. It's a little bit time consuming. It's almost half job season. So that's what we've been using, a wire brush. And about a half an hour of cleaning it up. Got it down to bare metal. I've used this opportunity to clean up here the slip. There's a little bit of dirt that's been stuck up there from over the years. So anyways, I didn't want to completely drop the tank and open up a can of worms. I just wanted to clean this up and see if this helps the problem. And then if it does, great. If not, we'll try again and take the whole tank down. But I just want to try, as I had bought one tube of this seal all stuff. So we'll see what the end result is. So that's what I'm going to do. And then at the other hand, I'm just going to smear it on like so. It might be a little crude, but with dropping the tank, it's gave me a little bit of more working area. And we'll just see, to get a new tank, it's about $800, give or take, plus the taxes. I mean, no big deal. I just thought I'd try the half job season method, and we'll get this done. So far, I don't even have an hour into it, so it's not too bad. But, probably by the time I'm done, it'll be about 2 hours. But that's okay. We'll try it out. We'll see how it works. If not, I'll assume the worst, tear it all apart, and then put a new tank in another day. Allow myself a good day, so then that way I got lots of time. If, more parts are needed when you tear it apart. So let's carry on with half job season and get this job done. So you got the instructions to read. They say, but who needs instructions? They say 1 to 2 minutes for drying. So let's go with their recommendations and see how that goes. Still got quite a bit left, so let's use her up. Don't be stingy. So what I've done is put about 4 healthy coats on this area. And started off in light coats, and then it seemed like every coat got a little thicker. So I got a good healthy 4 coats on this area, I'm really confident for the first time using this product that it's going to work really well. I spent a fair amount of time taking the wire brush and cleaning up that area. And I just spread out and come out to areas that didn't seem of interest, but I thought, you know what, it's got some scaly rust on it, so let's clean it up. And then we can maximize the life of this tank. As I was saying, these tanks are about $800, give or take, plus tax. Maybe I'll get lucky and find one that was on a wrecked vehicle. But anyways, for now, this will be okay. And we'll see once we get it all put back together. We'll get a full tank of gas in and test it and watch it. And just like paint drying times 10. All right. Let's see how half job season turns out. And thought I'd add my own touch. Put some rock guard on. I thought that would help slow down the effects of the salt from the winters, as they're so harsh. Well, we got the tank back in. Cleans up not too bad. At least that'll help keep the winter out, as winter is just around the corner. Thanks for watching the video. Just some ideas for you. Cheers.